Hello, trading is closed on September 19th, 2017. My last call said there was a MEJT target, 24.94.96. I thought it would print unless we gapped up and promptly took out this high. We gapped up, did not take out the high, so that one's a miss. We'll add it to the list. Chances are over 99%. It printed some time. Time doesn't have to be soon. Looked for a pattern with an early low. That's what we got. Tomorrow's pattern should be the one with an early high. Has a strong tendency to rally into the close. But if it fails big time. MEJT gave a bunch of signals, buy signals, false moves, ultimate buy signals, false moves. They've all been satisfied. This is the narrowest range we've had in a long time. Typically, narrow ranges are followed by large moves. I don't think this one will be any exception for a number of reasons. The chief reason is we have a FOMC report tomorrow that tends to lead to large moves, which I find hard to predict. What's positive about the pattern is that we've blown through a lot of resistance levels I thought would hold. Often that will keep on coming. We have the pattern tomorrow that typically closes near the high, and we banged on this resistance level so many times. More often than not, the more times you bang on the level, the more likely you are to break through. The catch is, we gapped up, hit a series of higher highs, couldn't hold on to any of them. So unless we gap up over these highs, and ideally over this one, or at least trade over it early in the day, lower prices should print tomorrow. The other issue is my timing system. Now, I haven't been using this very long. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but this high has held. And there is a argument for that high holding. One argument was my count number 2. This whole rally here is overlapping. Overlapping moves tend to retrace at some point. Doesn't have to be this point, but there still could be an ending diagonal triangle. But that's not the only count. There are lots of counts. You'll recall here was my count with wave B here, and I'm waiting for wave C, but that's not the only way to count this. There's an alternate count where that's A and that's B. If that's true, wave C is right at the 38.2%. And you have your A, B, with A and C in fib ratios, and then C with nice fib ratios right at the top. I think trying to call the top here has been an unrewarding experience, but if we drop from here, there at least are a number of wave counts which justify the move. So I think it's dangerous to make a prediction ahead of the FOMC meeting. If we don't take out this high early, I think lower prices will print at some point during the day. I'm looking for a large move tomorrow. If the timing system works, that could be it for the move, but I'm not familiar enough with the system to be confident it's going to work. We just have to be aware that if we start dropping in spades, it's plausible. And that's today's call.